temple elephant was obviously enjoying the music. The festive mood permeated the air. Everybody had turned out. The beautiful handwork and decorations at the yāgashala were breathtaking. As Ambal stood there in her stately presence, people brought small offerings of a coconut, some flowers. Everybody wanted to participate, and they did. Even the rear was so exquisitely decorated. All along the yāgashala, seeds were sprouted as a symbol of rejuvenation and growth. Inside, for every deity, gopuram, vimanam, a separate yaga kundam of a particular shape was created with cow dung and bricks. These, like the structure itself made of bamboo and paper, is completely biodegradable and would disintegrate naturally. People from different communities had gathered: Nadaswaram players, Oduvars, experts at storytelling from the Puranas and Itihasas, Vedic scholars, and others waiting for a chance to perform in front of Swami and Ambal. Darbha or kusha grass is bundled into a pole for mantra karshanam, where the mantra is drawn towards the deity and spread. Eager devotees bring items for a Purnahuti. The Jagadguru signals for all other music to stop, as the Vedas will now be chanted. Music originated from the Samaveda, and because this Veda is so hard to sing, it does not have checksums or ganams like the Rig and the Yajur and the Atharva Veda. Sections of the Itihasas and Puranas were also sung as offering to the gods. The Jagadguru often chanted along. Interacting with all those who came, the Jagadguru also released a book on the occasion. The Jagadguru is extremely pleased. The first arati has happened for Ganesha during the first kalam of the Yagashala puja. A moment without electricity gives us an idea what the Yagashala would have looked like when our ancestors performed these very same rites in the very same manner millennia ago. The aura is dispelled when the lights come on in time for the Purnahuti.
कावेरी तटवासिनौ करिमुखस्कन्दप्रियौ कामदौ जन्मग्नौ जनकं जनस्य जननीं जाने जगत्स्वामिनौ जम्बूनाथ शिवं भजेस्य च मुदा जायाखिलाण्डेश्वरीं जम्बूफलरसैः पूर्णं सरस्तत्रास्ति पावनं माघे मासि मघर्चेतु माघ्यां स्नात्वातु पापकृत् ब्रह्मज्ञाद्यास्तु मुच्यन्ते किं पुनः क्षुद्रपापिनः तत्तीरे अनुप्रदानेन महादानफलं लभेत् न जम्बुतीर्थसदृशं त्रैलोक्ये तीर्थमस्ति वै
Having stayed and ensured that the Swamis arrived here and the first arati was done, the Jagadguru leaves to attend to his other duties. Performing a Kumbhabhishekam for such an ancient and grand temple is not an easy task, but so far things have gone extremely well. Bhagya Lakshmi Paramma. The Jagadguru paused under the Gopura Dwaram. He stood for a few moments perfectly still. No one knew why he had stopped. But my guess is his heart would have been full, as he had filled all our hearts. Most likely he stopped, remembering his Guru and his Paramaguru, Sri Periva and Mahaperiva, as they too would have passed through these doors on that momentous occasion in 1962. It is his now to carry on their legacy and responsibilities. He is silent and inward amidst all the clamor outside. Every moment here is precious. Every moment speaks from millennia, the whispers of the ancestors, the words of the divine, all voices for those who can hear. It is a time for great celebration and also a time for pause and reflection, as the traditions must continue on. With one last glance behind, the Jagadguru leaves for the evening puja.